Hey guys, welcome back to Beautiful Mess. My name is Gretchen. In today's video, I am taking you guys along with me as I get my house back in order. You can see we were making forts. It was a rainy Saturday, and so we were not planning on going out for this day, so I thought it would be fun to make forts with the kids and just have a lounge day and not do much of anything at all.
I want you to see that this is a love.
So at this point the sun had finally started coming out. It was late afternoon and I just felt like it was time to just get everything back in order. The kids were winding down just from all of the playing that they had been doing that day. So I just wanted to go ahead and get started. I had some major motivation to get this tackled. So I started off in my son's room. This is where we were making the forts. You can tell I had to take all the blankets down, move furniture back because I had to move furniture together in order to get the fort up. I had a lot of fun doing this fort with them. It was actually on my daughter's bucket list and I thought a rainy day was perfect for it.
Shuts the door, it's a losing game, it's a losing game. But this time it's more than another lot of war. This ain't the same, this ain't the same. They say love heals all, it makes it all alright.
So you can see here I started putting my son's little car track away. I put it away because normally he just likes to throw it, and it was difficult for me to get it out of the way before. And then I saw Mama Fulltime had the exact same car set and she was putting it away in one of these plastic comforter sets. So thank you, Win, because I took that tip and now it is easy to just throw that in the bag and throw it in the closet, and that way he's not just destroying it and throwing it all over the room.
Trying. And how will we ever see if we're meant to be?
So once I finished in my son's room, I went ahead and headed into the living room. You can see all of the blankets and pillows and toys that were out there. Normally I will have the kids help me clean up their toys. This disaster just got a little bit too out of control, so when it's something like this, I just prefer to tackle it on my own, and you know, they were just chilling and I was okay cleaning this up. Now, if you haven't seen, my daughter is really good at cleaning up. If you've seen on Instagram, she has even made my bed before. Also, if you're not following me on Instagram, you can find me at Beautiful Gretchen. I'm on there all the time. So I just wanted to clear that up, just in case you're wondering why I didn't have the kids cleaning up their toys.
Stay hidden from the causes that might let go of your hands. Take me away, I'm running for my life, for my life. What's with your delay? You're only killing time, killing time. So take me away, I'm running for my life, for my life. And what's with your delay? You're only killing.
I am still enjoying my end dust to dust pretty much everything, so that's what I'm using to just get everything dusted here.
Take me away. glance down the street where no hope surrounds you. An empty soul, so much space to fill the gaps we fall through. And do you see what we've become?
Okay, so you saw that I just picked the pillows up off the floor, and you'll see in a second, there goes my son knocking it down. I pick them back up, and he continues to knock them down. He'll do it again in a moment. I don't know what it is that he just likes to see these pillows on the floor. And of course, because apparently he thought that I was on the floor to give him a horsey ride, he climbed on my back. Moms, if you know this struggle of cleaning with kids is real, leave me in the comments down below, #momlife.
As a hurricane breaks defense.
So I took out my orange glow because I wanted to dust these chairs and then give them a really good polish. You can't see, of course, in the video, but the chairs are so grimy. So I figured since I was on a roll and I had some major motivation that I'd go ahead and get this done. This is not something that I do all the time. So that's what I'm doing here.
Never gonna give, never gonna give, never gonna give, never gonna give you up. Never gonna give, never gonna give.
So after I was done with the living spaces, I went ahead and headed into my daughter's room. So she had fallen asleep in my bedroom. At this point, it was already dark out, and guys, I don't know what it was. I just wanted to keep going, and I had so much decluttering and stuff that I felt like I just could get done now. I went ahead and took advantage of that, and I got that just started with, and I definitely am glad that I did it. Normally, she does a really good job at cleaning her room, and I don't come in here too often, but it was about time for me to step in and just get some stuff cleared out and get some organization redone.
Never gonna say goodbye, no.
So I started off at the dresser. You can see it's so cluttered. She even had her Valentine's Day box from Valentine's Day. So that tells you how long it's been since I've been in here.
Never gonna give, never gonna give. Never gonna give, never gonna give, never gonna give you up. Never gonna give, never gonna give. Never gonna give, never gonna give you up. Never gonna give. Never gonna give, never gonna give you up. Never gonna give.
So here I start going through her drawers. I wasn't just folding the clothes, I was actually decluttering and getting rid of stuff because a lot of the stuff that was in here didn't fit her. A lot of it was size 3T and she's now a size 6. So it definitely was overdue.
Never gonna say goodbye, no.
I really love these drawers under her bed. I use them to store all of her dress-up stuff and then extra purses that she has and her game boards and things like that. So I just needed to go through and just reorganize it a little bit. So this little dollhouse, of course we don't use it as a dollhouse, we use it as storage. Originally when we got it at a garage sale for like $5 from a friend, and I was going to use it as a dollhouse, but then the Barbie dollhouse came in and the castle came in. My mom gifted her both of those, so I started just using this as storage, and I have been meaning to buy a bigger cubicle. But in the meantime, this is working out just to hold some extra stuff. This was another problem area. It just had way too many books, so I went through and just purged some that I could go ahead and donate, and then others that I could just rotate out that I know she wasn't using. And this is actually a rain gutter that was cut into 2 pieces. And it holds the books really well. It just can't get too heavy because it starts to lean forward. So by this time, like I had said before, it was dark and my husband knew that I was in my daughter's room cleaning up. When I came to the kitchen, I was pleasantly surprised because he had started cleaning the kitchen and washing all of the dishes. So thank you, hubby. I really did appreciate that. He does so much that you guys don't see on camera. He cooks all of our meals. He is always really good with the kids, and when I'm cleaning, he keeps them out of my hair. But I don't try to take any credit for doing everything in this house. He does a lot, and I am very thankful for his help. I saw that. I don't know what it was I said to him. I made a joke or something, but I didn't notice that he made that face to the camera until I started editing, so I got you. So the last thing that I did was just go ahead and dry up some of the pots and pans that were in the sink. I just wanted to get the sink wiped down and leave that clean for the next day. And here is the after. Everything is finally clean and in order. I was very proud of myself for getting this room done. So I hope that this video gave you the motivation that you need today. If you need to get some cleaning done or even some decluttering, hopefully it helps you to get up and get moving. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. And also, if you're not subscribed to my channel, I hope that you'll consider subscribing because I would love to have you become a part of my YouTube family. Thank you guys, as always, for watching. Thank you for your support. I really do appreciate you guys. And I will see you guys in my next video. Take care and God bless.